So hi there, my name is Kellen, and with this video I'd like to invite you in my free course about successful interior projects and what does the definition means one project to be successful. So we're going through the whole scenario from the beginning, how we approach each project, how we need to deal with the client, what stages we need to keep on track, and which softwares and tools we need to use to get really fast and quick results. So join now, use the form below the video, sign up and get immediately access and book your seat for my free course about successful realization of interior project now. So once again guys, there are really tons of things which I would like to share with you in the upcoming seminar. There are many things, but first and foremost we need to talk about the starting point of each project, and there are historical background in that because there are great rules which are helping us to accomplish more than 600 projects already with our experience of 15 years in the branch. So there are certain steps which I'm going to review with you in the upcoming seminar. So use the form below, sign up, book your seat, and we're going to go through all the steps until we are shaping in the perfect 3D visualization our projects by using great tools and rendering giants like V-Ray, Corona, and so on and so on. So at the final stage of our project, this is the technical part. I know many of you don't like to talk about this part, but this is necessary because there is a certain connection between that part and the budget of a project. And the funny thing is, this stage is the last one, but the client preferred to talk at the beginning. So that's why I'm going to show you my know-how and how I deal with the project. So sign up and we're going to talk about the topic successful interior design in the upcoming seminar.